Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making native jollof rice. This is different from the classic Nigerian jollof rice, which is made with tomato paste and some other things. This one has no tomato paste and is made with palm oil. It is delicious. It has a whole different flavor from your usual Nigerian jollof rice. Before we go on, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so. When you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that whenever new videos are posted you will get them. Now let's move on to the recipe. A full list of ingredients will be in the description, so do check that. We're going to start off by heating up our oil. The goal here is just to heat it up, not to bleach it. You don't want to bleach this oil. Next we're going to put in our onions, our cut onions. We're going to put it in now. Put in a blended pepper mix, which is comprised of peppers, crayfish, locust beans. The peppers, I mixed them up, the yellow and the red scotch bonnets. That's what I used for this. We'll now go on to put in our red bell peppers, which we cut. You can see how the color has changed, really looking good. Now I'm putting our pomo. What we call pomo in Nigeria is cow skin, the hide. Now I'm putting my pomo in now so that it will have some taste. You can see I'm going to season it with some seasoning, with one seasoning cube and some salt. Allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. When the pomo is ready, just take it out and set aside for later use. Now back to our pot. We're going to put in some water. If you have, put in a dried fish. I used dried catfish here. You can use smoked fish if you want. Now the thing with fish is that you have to debone this thing properly, especially when you have kids eating this food. Make sure you take your time to debone the fish. You wash the skin properly. Use one tip on how to wash fish. Just use a little salt in your hand and scrub the skin gently. It will lift up any dirt that is on the skin. Time to put in the rice. Just put it in and stir it a bit. Cover it up and allow it to cook. Now the rice is almost ready, so I'm going to just put back our pomo inside. I'll just put it in and cover the pot. Let the rice get ready completely. I'm not stirring it now. I also put in some fresh pepper. Please, you put the pepper according to your tolerance level. Now the rice is ready. It's practically ready. I'm going to put in my scent leaf. We call the Efiks call it ntong. The Igbos call it nchau, I think. The English name for scent leaf is basil. It's actually a species of basil. So we'll put that in and stir it up just gently to incorporate everything. At this point, just taste your rice. For me, the seasoning is okay, but you check your seasoning taste it, correct it if it's not okay for you. Cover it up for about 2 minutes, and here you have your native jollof rice. So good, so yummy. Guys, don't skip using locust beans. If you don't like locust beans, make sure you blend it in such a way that you can't see anything. It gives a good flavor, it leaves a good flavor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Until the next video, see ya.